2008, Helen Fallon and I decided that we would like to take students to Europe. We've been taking them to Washington, D.C. for a couple of years and thought we should just expand the opportunities for students to travel. I think a chance to travel internationally at the age you are when you're a college student is just invaluable. It opens up your horizons. It gives you ideas about what you might want to do or what might be possible for you to do. I had a chance to travel to Europe when I was 18 years old, and it really was very life-changing for me and spurred my interest in travel for the rest of my life.
The International Media class exceeded expectations and then some for me. I still brag about it to my friends and my colleagues. I still wear the t-shirt. We spend a whole semester learning about a different culture, learning about how a different country consumes and produces media. And then we get to go see up close and personal what we've been learning about. And what a way to close out a college career.
Still say it's one of my favorite experiences from college. I was very fortunate to have a lot of opportunities to travel, and Italy just really stands out from the rest. The amount of activities and just visits that we crammed into 2 weeks, going to 5 different cities, and it's just overall such a great opportunity for students. And it's really great that they get to take advantage of that and do it in college.
There are not enough good things I could say about this trip. I still talk about it all the time. This class gave me an affordable way to go abroad, something I didn't think I would do for many more years. And while it was very structured, of course, for the different media trips, I also felt a lot of freedom to just enjoy being somewhere new and appreciating a new culture.
You can't put a price on this experience because everything that you'll get out of it is 100% worth it. I was a commuter all 4 years of undergrad, and I worked all 4 years of undergrad. The fundraising was completely crucial to me being able to go on these trips, and it paved the way for me to do this.
I had the best time with our faculty members and fellow students studying abroad. We learned so much about the different media entities in Italy, and the memories that we made I will remember for a lifetime.
There are so many different aspects of Ireland that I hope to experience. There's just so many different pieces of architecture and just buildings, old churches, castles that are older than the United States that I just think are so beautiful, and I just want to get the opportunity to walk through. And I'm also just really excited to experience the different forms of media and just getting to see Irish media through the lens of Ireland. So that's what I'm looking forward to.
Whenever we're over in Ireland, I'm just gonna do as many things as I can because, you know, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. I have not been outside of the United States, so this is gonna be a new experience for me. And yeah, I just honestly want to learn as much as I can while I'm there, have a good time.
You don't get the opportunity to just go out and explore the world, so I took this chance, and I'm very happy that I get to have this opportunity to, while I'm young, to go out and see the world, and I would love to get to do it more.
For Ireland, I'm most excited about exploring the different cultures and the different cuisines they have there. And it'll be my first time going out of the country ever, and my first time flying for that matter. I'm also excited for the photo opportunities there as a photographer.
I am most excited about, personally, seeing the different cultural aspects of Ireland. A lot of the ruins, I like to step in places that are like 10 times older than my bloodline. I just think that's really interesting, and you can't do that over here. I really do want to see how different the media is in Ireland versus here. We have a very interesting way of approaching media here in America, and I want to see how Ireland approaches it versus us.
Other cultures give us better understandings of the way we can interact with things, especially with media, how other countries produce media. That's very beneficial for the careers we're interested in.
Hi, my name's Drew Benvey, and I'm the CEO and founder of Baton Hall. Since I set up this company 10 years ago, we've welcomed courses and individuals in to show them what it's like in the world of work. We've thoroughly enjoyed doing it. We've got to meet some great people along the way. We've even managed to offer some of them roles, and they work with us today.
I didn't know it at the time would become such a pivotal point in my life and my career path. It really allowed me to not only immerse myself in the culture, but it gave me that one-on-one time with professionals. I actually met my employer Baton Hall when I was in the UK on the trip. I wouldn't have had that opportunity otherwise. Make the most out of it because you never really know where a connection can take you, and I'm forever grateful for the experience.
I'm so personally incredibly thankful for the opportunity I get to travel internationally
And I think anyone else who has the opportunity should take that opportunity. And I think the idea of making that opportunity for other people and being able to uplift them and give them this one-of-a-kind experience is just priceless.